So change in velocity with respect to time is said to be acceleration. When time is 0, what is the velocity of the particle? It is v0. That is initial velocity. Relative velocity means comparison between the velocities of the objects. Similarly, if you're considering velocity of B with respect to A, you can give it as VBA is equal to velocity of B with respect to A. Hello everyone, I'm Brinda, Faculty of Physics, welcoming you all to the session 5 of chapter 4, that is motion in a plane. So in today's class, we are going to study regarding some equation of motion of a constant acceleration. So motion in a plane with constant acceleration. So what is that constant acceleration? So as you all know, acceleration is nothing but change in velocity with respect to time. So change in velocity with respect to time is said to be acceleration. So what is that constant acceleration? Constant acceleration means change in the velocity, that is in equal amounts, equal change in velocity with respect to time. So the velocity changes within certain interval of time, the velocity changes by equal amounts. That is said to be your constant acceleration. So now we are studying motion of an object in a plane, that is two-dimensional plane, x-axis and y-axis with a constant acceleration. That is what we study today. So next is, now according to triangle law of vector addition, as we had considered, the graph was this is the position vector r0 and this is the other position vector. So this is 0, x and y plane. So according to triangle law of vector addition, we have to calculate the diagonal is said to be considered as r. So it will be r0 vector plus displacement is equal to vector r. So when this is the case, displacement is equal to r vector minus r0 vector. Displacement is equal to r minus r0 vector. So you have got the equation 3, that is for displacement. What is the equation for displacement? Velocity is equal to displacement by time. So time goes with velocity. So it is average velocity into time. So average velocity into time is equal to r vector and r0 vector. So we have got velocity into time is equal to r vector minus r0 vector. So now r vector minus r0 vector is equal to v vector into t. So in the place of vector v, you can substitute, that is the average velocity. What I am calculating, it's a average velocity. So average velocity is summing up divided by 2, that is your equation 2. So it is v naught plus v divided by 2 into t. So we have r vector minus r0 vector, which is equal to v naught plus, what is that v you have got? V is equal to v naught plus at. So v naught plus at is the value of v divided by 2 into t. So you have got r vector minus r0 vector, which is equal to v naught plus again v naught into t plus a t square. Again this t goes with this, so it is 2. R vector minus r0 vector is equal to 2 v naught times the t divided by 2 plus at divided by 2. So it goes like this, v naught t plus half at. 80 square. So r vector minus r naught vector. So your r naught vector goes with this. So r vector is equal to r naught vector plus v naught vector into t plus half a vector into t square. So this is the other equation. So you can follow this up with your x component and y component, writing x component here, x here, x here and x here. Similarly, you can just rewrite it as y component of the vector form. So this is how it goes. So motion of an object in a plane with constant acceleration. So next we are studying regarding the relative velocity. So what is this relative velocity? Relative. So there is a relation between two velocities. Relation between two, how we tell we have a relative, she is my relative, he is my relative. You're comparing your relation with one person to the other person. Similarly, relative velocity, you're comparing the velocity, one velocity, that is the first velocity of the object with the other velocity of the other object. In the same way, this is relative velocity. Relative velocity means comparison between the velocities of the objects. So relative velocity, you can define it as velocity of one object with respect to the other object. Velocity of one object with respect to the other object is said to be your relative velocity. Suppose, consider this as your object A and object B, that is car A and car B. So you're comparing the velocity of A with respect to B, and it can be given as velocity of A with respect to B can be given as VA minus VB. Similarly, if you're considering velocity of B with respect to A, you can give it as VBA is equal to velocity of B with respect to A. Got it? So now we have VAB is equal to negative of VBA. So whatever positive terms were there, it is negative over here. So it is negative of VBA. This is equal to VAB is equal to minus VBA. So considering its modulus, VAB is equal to VBA. So this is how it is, relative velocity. Relative velocity means velocity of one object with respect to the other object. So in today's class, we have studied motion of an object in a plane with constant acceleration. So now you got to know what is that constant acceleration, that is change, equal change in the velocities in equal interval of time is said to be your constant acceleration, and you have derived few of the equations and you have studied regarding the relative velocities. So relative velocity means velocity of one object when compared to the other object with respect to the other object. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.